Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel BBC World News. In today's video, we will share with you latest news. Mozambique Attorney General Office open case against Mondlane presidential decree. Mozambique Attorney General Office announced on Monday that it has opened proceeding to investigate whether the self-styled presidential decree of former presidential candidate Venancio Mondlane about the principle of the democratic state. As a result of the fact, appropriate proceedings have been initiated for due accountability, reads the statement. The Attorney General Office sent Leosa, Republican of the alleged decree by the same citizen constitute to flagrant violation of the Constitution of the Republic, since this act constitutes as the prerogative reserved for the component organs of the state and is published into the Bulletin of the Republic. It adds. The Attorney General Office also said it was aware, referring to one of the 30 measures published by the Venancio Mondlane, of a illegal election and swearing in of the neighborhood secretaries and of the localities administrative posts and the district administration in various parts of the country outside the legally established rule for this purpose. The exercise of the function of the entities mentioned above is governed by the law, and any act to the contrary is not only illegal, null and void, but also subverts the principle of the democratic rule of the law and constitute a criminal offense. It added. Former presidential candidate Venancio Mondlane wants the people to set themselves up as an autonomous court and issue judgment against the police, citing the MacBur aware of summary execution without the intervention of the authority. The position is set out in a document released last Tuesday, which he called a decree published in the self-state journal Dopovo, the 30 Mayor for the next 100 days. One of the which Venancio Mondlane, who signed it, stated that it is up to the people, the victim, to set themselves up as the outermost court that issue sentence to stop the MacBur wave of the UAR, GOE and the Sagni, referring to units of the public of the Republic of Mozambique that he accuses of the increase and flurry of summary execution. Faced with the complete inertia and the silence and the authority of the Front for the Liberation of Mozambique Frelimo, who have disrespected the people's right to choose, who governed by the stealing word, what institution would be the people turn to if not themselves in the form of self-protection? Read the document, in which Mondlane cited their right to the equitable reaction for the defense and calls on the member of these police forces to reveal the perpetrators of the summary execution so that the people court can pass sentence. Although the document does not say it this way, in an intervention of his official Facebook account on 17 January, Venancio Mondlane called for the application of the so-called law of Talion from the Bible. Every member of the population murdered by a member of the UIR is automatically paid by the same coin. The member of the UIR is also wiped out the existence. He goes to hell. Call me an agitator, call me whatever you want. The people are being killed, they are being kidnapped. That's how it's going to be, he said. The Attorney General Office stated that due to the content published in the newspaper, it made a peer inquiry to the Information Office to body the coordinates and the supervisor the media in the Mozambique about the legality, and it was found that the newspaper called the Journal Dopovo is not registered, which means that its existence and the circulation constitute a clandestine press. In this term, an Attorney General officer urged citizens in general to contribute to political and social stability and the maintenance of peace, and to this end to refrain from acts that could degenerate into the disorder and or violence, it concluded. In the document released last week, in which he present other government measures for the next 100 days from what he described and the office of the President-elect Mondlane, who does not recognize the proclaimed result of the general election of 9 October, which gave victory to Daniel Chapo, already sworn in, and the fifth President of Mozambique on 15 January, demand the immediate cessation of the violence and the demanding the immediate cessation of the violence by the UIR toward the population and the silent genocide carried out by the police forces. According to the organization on the ground, such as the electrical platform, decided in 3 months of the post-election demonstration since 21 October, at least 315 people have died and around 750 have been shot, with more than 4,100 detainees reported. The unconditional release of all the detained as part of the electrical demonstration and compensation for the relative of all victims. The demonstration with the two-leg matrices or other measures purposed by the Mondlane, the extension of the non-payment of all toll-free access to water, a 50% reduction in the price of domestic gas and the electricity, and the setting of a price of 13 matrices for the 50-kilogram bag of cement, claiming that the same product is sold more expensively in the Mozambique than in neighboring country, are all on the list. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.